welcome back to the vlog. What are we up to this week? Well, can you believe it? Whoa, the snowdrops have been out for a couple of weeks now. It's the very beginning of February, but not just the snowdrops. The Christmas rose or the hellebores have been out since December. Already, crocuses and even daffodils. Crocuses are up here at Holdenby, and even daffodils have got their yellow heads on, not quite burst into bloom. Terrifying. Terrifying. It seems 5 minutes that I basically did this same video last year. So what else has been going on? Putting a lot of focus really into marketing Raptor Exotics, because after 16 years, as we said previously, the current financial crisis, work's definitely dipped off in the last 2 years, so something we haven't had to do. But thankfully someone's really helping me to sort of start a marketing campaign, including a YouTube specific channel for the business. All systems go at work with the kitchen. Bit of a mess living in a kitchen that's destroyed, but yeah, lots going on. More to see later in the vlog. Something I have been doing, just now and again, basically while I'm digging worms up for the newts, I'm digging a hole to bury my pointer in. What a sad thing that is. So literally, time is running out for her. She's had basically mammary cancer now for a year. She's still perfectly fine in herself, not suffering, but those cancer tumours are really getting big, and we're just waiting for that cut-off point when we think either they break down, or she's in any way distressed or in pain. So far she's a normal self, except she's now carrying cancers around on her tummy. The end is nigh, so quite sad at that time. Not yet, but my goodness, it will be. Something I am pretty pleased to announce is Dave Sharp, Nature Boy, the book about my early years and how it all began, is now actually going through the process of publishing. A year or two ago, we nearly got there, but it's at a different publishers, and it's pretty much ready to go. Just got to double check again. I've sent me the copy edit back. Here's a couple of the images. I've been sent some wonderful images for the book. Here's a couple of little gems of English nature. But yeah, not far off. June, July, it should be ready to buy. Don't forget, you too can experience the thrill of flying these magnificent birds of prey here in Northamptonshire. Our gift vouchers make the best memory and best memorised gifts for anyone you know and love, or for yourself. Get on the website now and check out what we do, what we offer, and come and fly these birds for yourself in the most wonderful, beautiful settings. The date is here for the 3rd ever Falconer Gathering. Get this date in your diary. Don't miss this. It will be better than ever. Okay, now I'm going to take you through my videos, because we've missed some vlogs really over the last few weeks. Let's just delve into the phone memory of the vlogging I've done, and we'll just go back in time and kind of catch up.
Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. You a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas.
So we've got to the point of feeding on the fish now with sort of keenness. Appetite is now a better driver than the nerves were. After being picky with quail to start with, now she's tucking in. All kinds of aquarium snails you can get for all kinds of aquariums. Something that's very common are these nearite snails. Naturally a brackish water animal, so not full marine, not pure fresh water. River estuaries and that kind of thing. And then you got these kinds of snails off something called rabbit snails and similar things. A good sort of 6 centimetres long.
Their mouths are so small.
What did you get for Christmas, Ryan?
They get you on the finger. I can't deliver. Mouths are
Thanks, you, sir.
It's catchup. I said to them, I've got some answers.
Look at that eagle go.
Let's see what they do.
Jingle, 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 jingle all the way. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail shall ring, making spirits bright. The fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride.
There they go on.
Miss Fanny's ride, but sweet is my
There's the frog. Can you see it?
Big frog.
It's a fat frog. Looks like it's got a bit of fungus on it though. Look, it looks a bit yucky. You see the white blobs on it? Give it a poke.
No.
No.
That.
I don't think he should go, but it is quite mild, isn't it, I suppose?
I think it's bad.
Not very reactive frog. Should be in there, shouldn't he?
Now I like it.
Hello, young Lily, how are you?
Look who it is! Look who it is! Santa's got an
What's
umbrella.
happened to the snow? It's all
Oh, look, he's got his umbrella.
It's all melted. Got his own umbrella. Wow! Go and give him a cuddle. Go and give him a cold.
He's coming in. He's got his fucking coat on.
If Santa hasn't got a cold now, he was never going to catch one. He's immune.
Are you excited?
How are you?
Don't lose those
Because a reindeer
flakies.
only fly on Christmas Eve, you see. How are you?
Oh, look.
Have you been good?
Have you been good? You have been good, haven't you?
Has she been good?
Is Grandma good?
Yeah.
What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? Get in, then. Doing? Oh, that's good stuff in there. Hey? Is that good mud? What are you doing? Devil's in ya. me put it in here then. Coming out. You're not being much help. Thank you. Come on, make your bed. That's it. That's it. That'll do. Don't need any more than that, do you think? Is that enough? Yes. That's enough. No, don't put it all over the floor, you'll get told off. Oh, look what you... Oh, messy pup. There. Very good. Good job. Very busy. Ooh.
Happy Christmas.
So these starlings nest under next door's eaves, and they're looking very interested. I think the weather we've had is mild. Things are really confused, even plants, but a run of very cold nights and pretty cold days now, so more wintry, I think. Perhaps those animals and those plants will get back into winter mode. Now they say if you feed the birds, you're feeding the rats, and I think that extends to tree rats, the grey squirrel. However, although we moan here in the UK that these things are invasive, mostly through disease, they've killed off our native red squirrels almost entirely in Britain. They are the squirrel now. Unfortunately, I go to schools, you know. I grew up with the grey squirrel being a squirrel entirely here in England. They are the squirrel. I'm a hunter, but killing them off is good in many ways. They are a pest. They decapitate and eat many songbird chicks. They eat the eggs. They're a total invasive species. Equally, they're a lovely animal to watch and observe. It's a difficult one with nature. They breed like rats. A lot of people don't realise how much they actually fill up a woodland or a copse, and they are massively impactful on the wildlife within and in your garden. I've watched them raid dunnock and blackbird nests all down my hedge. Nowadays, I don't shoot them in the garden. This is Stanley and his missus, and this pair's certainly been coming a long time, or a pair that look like them. They're a nuisance on the bird feeder, but I accept they're total vermin. They need their numbers keeping down for many reasons, but I can also look at them and see a lovely, wonderful, quite intelligent animal, as indeed I look at rats in pretty much the same way. So first day free with a little Lana. Now we're going to go for one pass and a cat. New Year's Eve, nearly 2026. Oh, got my own halo. Oh, there you go. I'm off soon. In fact, we're off for 3 or 4 nights to Krakow. Jackie's taking me away for a birthday treat. Interesting, really. So you know me, it's a city break. Also, she said, while we're there, I'd like to go and see Auschwitz. I think everyone should visit that place, you know, for an understanding. Okay, country boy, going on a city break. Empath, going to see where thousands of people were killed. Happy birthday. Happy New Year. I hope 2026 brings you everything you want and desire hopefully, you want and desire health and happiness. There's nothing else in life. Look at that. It's New Year's Eve right now. Beautiful, peaceful day, frosty ground, clear blue sky, and not a puff of wind. Just the sound of distant pigeons cooing, an aircraft in the distance. What a way to end a year, just being outside in the peace of the countryside. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Ho! Ho! Ho!
Of granite, which provides the base on which the coral can grow. As the world warmed after the last ice age, the ice melted and retreated.
There's something strange about this video. Look at that. Oh, I think this one's got more sense. They've got a big old body mass. So once they get up to operating temperature, especially when the sun's out, it's a sheltered spot. It's actually warm in the sun. Mid-January sun. This animal's out, it's grazing. It's having a mooch around, but yeah, a tortoise in the snow. How weird is that? As always, no one would believe that a variety of amazing animals are going to appear from this setup. Hands-on, fun, education. And the fun bit means they'll remember what we're learning about and take a love and interest in this amazing wildlife that the rainforests of the world actually contain. And of course why we need to try and conserve it. Children, some amazing animals. Who would have thought it looking at that? That's it. You don't even have to go so quick with that one.
Okay.
It's just fine. Lovely.
Sorry, because Rosie hates it. So
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
like, nip it on.
no. That one
She
you
gets
can
all
almost,
snake neck.
that one, if you go quite slow, it might bite, but if you go, it'll almost put its head into it. It's
Oh,
weird.
okay,
Literally
alright.
puts its head into
Sorry.
it. No, you just see different. Again, ready to set up. Pupils there. Owl perch in the corner there. We've got our display board just to give some little clues and pointers. Excuse me. and also a screen to keep it looking tidy from the pupil's point of view there. We've got a couple of plants, we've got an owl, and we've got a box that, believe it or not, contains tarantula, 10-foot snake, a gecko, various invertebrates like hissing cockroaches, as well as the tarantula, of course. But in all this simplicity, it's going to be wonder, awe, and excitement, which will really cement in this topic, which is rainforests. These kids are going to increase their knowledge of the rainforest to do with their topic they're doing now. But the fact they'll get to experience and even touch some of the real live animals and plants is 100%. It's leagues ahead of just screen time or books. Tangible, real life stuff is what makes Raptor Exotics work well from what looks so simple now as a nice, tidy setup will be a completely enthralling experience, memory making, and if you're learning, memories help.
She's looking great. Right, pop her in. Do you want it? Well done, Ty. That's it. In she goes. Nice and gentle. Right, say today that you've got a new house for her.
She's got a new house.
She must have done you.
That's right.
Yeah, it looked like.
She's looking good, isn't she? Oh, she's building a tunnel already, look.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed catching up on the vlog. If you like the reptile stuff, link in the description. If you like more pure falconry and bird of prey, link in the description to those two channels. But this is Maverick. He's an 80-month-old peregrine. He's had a job change. He's gone from something we tried as an experienced day bird to he's going back up as a lure bird. And today I've just let him free for the first time in many weeks. He's been molting and resting. He's got pretty much his big boy colours now. And he's just been back up into the sky. And I've just let him fly and soar and find his wings and called him down to the lure and his lunch. Hopefully you'll see more of him. What was a screaming, noisy, horrible imprinted bird that got quite a lot of horrid behaviour and noise. Change of scene, change of job description. So far, so good. Catch you in the next one, guys.